Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Meta AI on Instagram. So if you want to turn off Meta AI on Instagram, here's how I can get it done. First, you have to open your Instagram account. Then you tap on the search icon. Then you tap on this Meta AI logo. Once tap on it, then you tap on this button, tap on it, then you tap on this option right here, which is mute. Then you toggle on this mute messages, and right here you can decide to set your time frame. If it's for 1 hour, for 8 hours, for 24 hours, or until I change it. So I recommend you tap on until I change it. And not one thing for sure, you cannot fully remove Meta AI from Instagram, but taking this step should make the AI system less intrusive on your Instagram experience. So there's nothing you can do. You cannot totally remove Meta AI, but with these steps it makes it intrusive on your Instagram experience. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.